is doing the Mermaid Slime Bucket Challenge.
Ah, I'm gonna get slimed.
Exactly. So thanks to Simply Kids for sending us the slime. And the reason why we are doing this challenge is for a charity called Action for Children. And if you want to learn more about that, go to
this website.
Right there.
So we will be nominating for this challenge Baby Teeth 4,
Disney car toys,
and Kitty's Mama.
So, yeah, you guys have to get slime. Sorry, but we're not because it's for a good cause. So, boom. Thumbs up to that. Alright, so now we are going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who is the first victim
of the slime. Oh, I'm scared.
Alright, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No!
That's cold. Alright, so Sashi is the first slime victim. You ready to get slime?
Yes. I'm scared.
3, 2, 1, slime! Oh my gosh! Slime! Oh my gosh! 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 Oh my gosh!
Oh, this is disgusting! Ew!
Oh, that's
It's
nasty.
chunky slime!
Oh no, it's my turn. Wait, what? No, no, it's not. I didn't say that. Okay, you ready? No, no.
Okay, 3, 2,
No.
1. Ah!
Wait.
Ah, no! Stop! Ew! Oh, why? Ah, no! Stop!
Ew! Oh, why? It feels like I just took a shower in boogers. What?
Ah, no! Stop! Ew! Oh, why?
What?
Ah, no! Stop!
Ew.
Whoa! What?
It feels like I just took a shower in boogers. It's so weird.
Booger!
Oh my gosh. It's going down my back. It feels like a snail mixed with a slug. A snail.
Yeah.
A slug. Snail. Now we're going to do the
Mermaid
slime. The mermaid slime slide. Slide.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, not yet. Okay, I'm ready.
Let's go!
3, 2, 1, go.
Cool!
Cool. No. I can't squish this one. It feels so weird. Gosh, there's no escaping. This is a mermaid trap, I tell you. Alright, so now it's round 2. Wait, that's 4. 2.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do your tip set. Ready?
It's so cold!
Alright, no. I'm not It's in the tail! It's in the tail!
It's a mermaid on the right! A mermaid on the
Did you
top.
see it? Slime is coming out! Going on me! Escape! Back, I say! Back, child!
Escape!
Yes! Shadow time! So first shout out goes to Ikra H. Hi, please, you put me in the shoutouts. I love you all. You're the best YouTuber in the UK. Oh, yeah, going on. Love you, Vizzy. Bye. Okay, well, bye. Then we have Kavani Smith. Hey Yumi, I love your braces. I wonder if they hurt because I have to get them soon. I love you guys so much, and I hope that you read this and give me a shout out. Well, here's the shout out, and I do have to say, when you first get them on, they are a little sore, but I mean, you get used to it really easily, and they don't hurt, so yeah. By the way, good luck. Okay, next shout out goes to Heather McCoy. I love your videos so much. Can I please get a shout out? Here's the shout out. Then shout out, the next shout out goes to Mo Taylor. Please give me a shout out, please. Then I'll say you're so cool. You're so cool that love your oh my gosh, you're going to make my tongue get twisted into a knot. But yeah. Like you literally put like 5 so's. But anyways, you're so cool, love your vids. Thank you, that's really nice. I'll be sure to tell Sachi that too. So anyways, yeah, be sure to comment down below and we will randomly select comments to be in shoutouts for the next video. So yeah, bye. All right, thanks a lot guys for watching. And remember, this is for charity, so go into the description box and click on the link that is in there so you can learn more about it.
And like, subscribe, and comment.
Exactly, share this video to help out the charity.
Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
But first, the final slide.
Ah!
No! Oh my gosh, you! Ew, it's running down my back. It feels so weird.
Oh, my hair! It's all over my hair.
Hey guys, I'm Yumi.
I'm Sachi.
And for the longest time, we wanted to film a collab video with our friend Paige from Floyd Jackson.
Oh,
but for one reason or another, it has just not worked out.
Yeah.
Until today.
Because she lives
So-
in Washington and we live in New York.
Nebraska.
Yes, I got you.
Nebraska, Sachi. And
Oh.
they have like a crazy blizzard going with Sharknado and stuff, and we've just had better cold, okay? But until today as well, we got snow!
Yeah,
so we can make this happen.
I'm like excited for some reason, but also extremely terrified.
It is 9 degrees below freezing, okay? So that gives you an idea of how cold it is, and there is like freezing bitter winds of slappiness, okay?
Right now, we're
It
all
doesn't
like
make sense,
excited and
but-
pumped up.
We
but
don't
when
talk
we're doing
about it is though, okay?
we're probably
So
gonna
we
be
will be
screaming and
doing the Mermaid Polar Plunge Challenge!
Yeah!
Why?
Yes.
Beef pumps, and then regret it when we go outside and we'll like break a window and jump back in. But we can be excited now while we're still warm. Okay, so, oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. It is
Me
freezing
too.
outside. The water is probably freezing over right now as we speak. So we're gonna hurry and go do this quick. Oh no. Hey guys! It's freezing. So today we are going to be doing the Mermaid Polar Plunge Challenge. And if I haven't said it, it's freezing! It's snowing! Yeah, it's so like, look at this. There is snow everywhere. It is cold. It is snowing. This water is no better. So are you ready? Yeah. Because I am not.
Nuts.
No, okay. Oh jeez. Oh, and the wind. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Nature just knows what we want. Okay. You ready?
Right. 3, 2, 1.
Wait, no. Yeah. I need to like inch forward. Okay, yeah, I feel better-ish now. Okay,
Alright, go.
Ready? 3, 2. No, I don't go. You go next to me. Okay, I'll feel cheated. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, jeez, now it's cold. I regret this. Oh, jeez. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, why are you blowing cold air? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh jeez! Hold me tight! Okay, all this. Oh no, that's still cold though. Oh jeez! Oh, I fell into that. I fell into this. There is no winning here, people. Oh jeez! Use my tail as a coat. Okay, let's go inside. Oh my gosh! Oh jeez! Alright guys, we just got back inside.
It was
had a really
horrible.
hot shower and then ate some food to warm up and stuff, but that was freezing, okay?
Extremely. It literally.
No!
In like, you know when you stick your hand in like freezing water and you get like
I don't know how you
pins
do that,
and needles
but yeah.
or something? So
It was 10 times worse.
Needles,
Okay, well, trillion.
daggers, swords, and stuff being stabbed into us. It hurt so
Okay,
bad.
it actually did feel like that though, okay?
It was so
freezing.
And then we were like all numb and stuff, and had like a thin layer of ice starting to like.
Yeah, so
grow on
literally
us,
like
so.
we had to walk in as
We were like,
ugh.
ugh. Like, you know, in Frozen when Anna's just like that. That was us, but there was like a thin layer of ice covering it.
Because
so,
literally
like,
her dress was like stuck like that. It, like,
okay, yeah,
froze
that
like
was how we were. But it was crazy, you guys.
It was horrible.
We were originally gonna go to a lake, but they were frozen over completely, okay? We were not gonna be able to do that, okay? We tried.
I
It
can't
was-
feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it.
What the heck? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, if you guys appreciated, I thought we just jumped into, we didn't even tell them. We didn't even tell them about the second time. We didn't, okay. So, the first time we went in, it was good, okay? We thought it was fine. We come in, we checked the footage, and we realized that our camera was a big fat jerk and did not record it. Because like
snow got into her or something.
Something
Our camera
happened
had
and
a
our
jerk.
camera just was a jerk. So we had to go back a second time and do it again. Same time. Okay, ready?
1, 2, no. Okay.
Okay, here. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, it's cold.
2, 3, we're gonna go down.
Oh no, I'm not ready. Okay, you know what? I don't even care at this point. So, with the snow, we just didn't want to see snow, okay? So,
If
that
I
was
ever
not
go out
fun.
and
So
someone
if you
says,
guys,
"I'm
if you guys
cold."
appreciated that, please give this video a thumbs up because freezing our butts off was not that fun.
If I ever go out and someone says, I'm cold, I'm gonna be like, this is nothing compared to what I have done.
just be like the mermaid polar plunge. Anyways, guys, we love you so much.
Hey guys, welcome to the first ever Mermaid Snow Challenge.
Oh my gosh, we're going to be going down a snowy hill. It's about like 100 yards. So we'll see who makes it down to the bottom first.
Oh god. You ready?
Yes.
I hope I don't like flip over.
Me too.
So I'm going. I'm like, this is good. This is good. And I'm like heading to Mermaid statue, and I'm like, ah! So I like kind of maybe flipped over. I went down. And the struggles of being mermaid, I have to do this the entire way off. That's like probably 100 million football fields away. Probably. I don't know. I'm not that good at Why? There has to be a better way.
Yeah, I won the very first mermaid challenge because I went the furthest and fastest. Oh my gosh, it was so freezing, and I was so scared that I would like crash or something because I just kept going. I'm like, wait, where are they gonna stop? Where's it gonna stop?
No, no. I don't want to go yet. Okay, so we're on to our second round. Going down, and oh my gosh, are you nervous?
Yes.
Well, like, I wiped out, so I'm hopefully not going to wipe out again, but I'm worried about the camera, so I'm going to be like, no, and save it epically. Probably. I'll action roll. We'll just call it that, not wiping out. I'll action roll.
Okay, you ready?
No? Yes, baby?
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god!
Epic mermaid roll. Okay, push my tail. 3, 2, 1.
I'm alive! I'm alive and I didn't wipe out! Yes, this is a miracle! Woo! And camera's okay, so like, oh my gosh, yay! And this is the farthest I've actually gone. Wait, did I win? Did I win the second round? I won the second round! Oh my gosh! Oh wait. How am I supposed to get back up? So I am attempting to go up the hill and I'm being stared at. I'm sorry, mermaids weren't designed for this kind of thing. The struggle is real.
needs to be like an escalator uphill for Mermaid. Can we do that? Can we make that happen?
Come on, you can make it.
Oh, you were carried up. Save your trouble.
Take my hand. Trust me, I got you. Yeah, I won the very first
Mermaid Ice Challenge. Well, Snow Challenge.
Yes, we get to make Ice Mermaid the thing.
Yes, we win.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe after all. We came out of the ocean for this.
Yes.
Also, my face is going up. So, yeah.
Mine too.
Comment down below if it's snowing where you are. But if you're under the ocean, then I guess that doesn't apply. So, yeah. Hey, guys. I'm Yumi.
And I'm Sachi.
And today we're going to be doing an ocean challenge. And obviously, I'm the better swimmer because I'm a mermaid. So, we're going to see who can float on our animal friends the longest. Right there. So I have an 18-foot American alligator, and his name is Phil.
And this one's name is Jim, and he is my dolphin. The dolphin named Jim.
Alright, so comment down below who you think will be able to come out of the challenge not soaking wet.
Yeah.
2, 1, go! Oh no, I'm going over to like the deep side. No! Oh yeah, getting beached. This is good! Hold on! Hold on! I tried to
Fell like 3 times. Trying to get. Let me get the wave. Let me get the wave.
Stop moving!
Okay.
I'm not moving!
Oh, you got this.
I'm Sachi. And have you ever wondered how mermaids celebrate Easter?
Well, let us show you.
And instead of decorating eggs, we decorate shells.
This is my favorite part. Let's get decorating.
Alright, we've finished our shells. Comment down below which are your favorite.
Now for my favorite part, going egg hunting. And we get to find all these cool ocean treats.
But my favorite part is when we get to find the seashell whistles. And whoever finds the most gets good luck for an entire year.
I need to get the most.
No, I need to.
I need to. I hope I do. I hope I do.
This
I hope
year
I do.
is my year. Okay, are you ready, Sab?
Yes.
All right, 3,
2,
1, go. Ah! Okay. This way. 2. And you. 3.
4, 5, 6.
Okay. I got this. I got this.
7, 8, 9.
Not even counting. Just gotta grab. That's all that
10.
matters now.
11.
Ah!
Wait, I'll grab these two.
Oh no! It's sinking! It's sinking! No! We lost an egg! Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, first egg. I got.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, I got a seashell whistle. Alright, that's one, that's one.
Ooh, I got a candy necklace. Seashell whistle.
I got this super
another
cute candy
seashell
fish ring. And another candy fish ring.
Another seashell
Oh my
whistle.
God. I got
And yet another one. We've already gotten 4 seashell whistles. 5. A Dory gummy candy.
fish ring.
Seashell whistle.
Awesome giant candy necklace.
Looks like
Seashell whistle.
we got a gummy fish.
Alright, that makes 2 for me.
A yummy candy necklace.
Oh my gosh, yeah, gummy fish.
Ooh, a gummy ring. Gummy fish ring. I got another gummy
I
fish.
got another gummy fish.
Okay, last one. Gummy fish!
And I got a fish ring.
My gummy fish. And then I got my Dory gummy fish. Have this one. This one. I'm gonna have a gummy fish ring. And I have these awesome candy necklaces and the whistles.
Time to go get some mermaid treats.
Yummy.
Alright, so right here we have our chocolate kelp cakes.
And here we have our coral juice.
Alright, I'm gonna take a sip of my coral juice.
Me too. Delicious. Just how I like it.
Alright, now for a kelp cake. I choose you.
I choose you, Pikachu. Mmm. It's delicious.
Oh my gosh, so good. Kelp cakes are definitely part of my favorites. Oh my gosh, my face is blue. That is what they do. Oh my gosh, I'm rhyming now too.
Olympics. What an exciting day we have. The sea's finest Olympians. Representing the Atlantic Ocean, we have Yumi Mermaid. Representing the Pacific Ocean, we have Sachi Mermaid. Okay, whichever is the first event of the competition, we're going to be doing the tug of war. Okay, you guys ready? Competitors ready? 3, 2, 1, go. And the winner of the first event, the tug of war, is Mermaid Yumi.
Oh yeah!
And for our next event, Mermaid Sachi from the Pacific is going to be doing the shark put. So Sachi, let's see how far you can shot put that shark. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright Sachi, you threw that 12 paces.
Yes! Woo! I hope I win.
Mermaid Yumi, now for the shark put. You have to beat 12 paces. Do you think you can do it?
Of course.
Alright, let's see. 3, 2, 1, go! It looks close. This could be a photo finish. So the winner of the first ever Mermaid Shark Put is Mermaid Yumi. Alright mermaids, that's 2 events down. Now to event 3.
Need to win this one.
Alright, so this next event is the Porpoise Pass. The first mermaid to drop the ball twice loses. On your marks, get set, go! 1, 2, 3. Round 2, go! And the winner of the third game, the Porpoise Pass, is Mermaid from the Atlantic, Mermaid Yumi. Second place to Mermaid Sachi. Okay, on to the next event. The turtle disc throw. Are you ready, Sachi?
Yes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Mermaid Yumi. Are you ready to do the turtle disc throw? Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! And for the turtle disc throw, Yumi, you are disqualified for throwing it off of the course. The winner by default, Mermaid Sachi. Final competition is the Mermaid Sculpture Contest. Alright, mermaids, you have 2 minutes to complete the task. 3, 2, 1, go! Time up, hands up. Okay, mermaids. Mermaid Sachi.
I built a weird
Mermaid
panda.
Sachi. What did you build for us?
I was trying to build a unicorn, but it just fell apart, so I made a weird panda.
This is a weird... Mermaid Yumi, what is this?
It's a whale tail. I mean, I've seen them before a lot, so I decided why not build a tribute to one.
So, whale tail or panda with 4 heads?
Those are heads. Well, they're legs. Those are unicorn legs.
Alright, so the winner of the sculpturing contest is the whale tail. The winner goes to Mermaid Yumi.
Thank you.
Okay, and the winners of the first Mermaid Olympics from the Atlantic Ocean with 4 gold medals, Mermaid Yumi. In second place with 1 gold medal from the Pacific Ocean, Mermaid Sachi.